we're going to go one step further. We're going to take this one other level, and we are going to go to Master Networker. This is my favorite step in the process because we have taken the stress and the fear out of networking, and this is where we are going to put the power back into it. This is the step that most people never initiate, and why networking never really has a return on investment. If you want to put the power back into networking, then you've got to take responsibility for expanding your network. As much as we wish that it happened, a lunch once a month and a chamber event or a Rotary lunch does not a relationship make. And because you have mastered step 1 and step 2, you have met fascinating people and you have gathered unbelievable amounts of information. Everybody wants to know you because you know everybody and you are so much fun to be around. But this is where you move into the position of control, because with all the information that you've learned, you want to be the person who takes responsibility to go back out and expand your network.